DSC short number 16. English. Collective nouns. First one, a fleet of sheep. Second one, a bunch of flowers. Third one, a brood of chicks. Fourth one, a herd of cattle. Fifth one, a bundle of sticks. Sixth one, a flock of sheep. Seventh one, a school of fish. Eighth one, a pack of wolves. Adjective, noun. Honest, honesty. Kind, kindness. Cruel, cruelty. Calm, calmness. Sad, sadness. Active, activity. Creative, creativity. Sincere, sincerity. Cheerful, cheerfulness. Bitter, bitterness. నౌన్కి ఎల్వై కలిపితే యాడ్జెక్టివ్, యాడ్జెక్టివ్కి ఎల్వై కలిపితే యాడ్వర్బ్.